Good day to all employers. My name is Irene Jane Quinones. I am 40 years old. I have 5 years of experience working in caregiving and household management. I am a mother of 2 children, so I am very familiar with caring for children of all ages, from infants to older kids. I also have experience caring for an elderly stroke patient with paralysis. I am very proficient in managing household chores. I can cook, clean, do laundry, and shop for groceries. I am organized, efficient, and take pride in maintaining a clean and welcoming home. I am very interested in working in Hong Kong because I have heard many positive things about the culture and people. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. I hope to have the opportunity to work with your family and provide the best care and service possible. Please feel free to contact me. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you and have a great day.